Good morning. So we are currently off to go and pick Tom up. Going to go and play 18 at Bird Hills. See you there. Good morning.
Hey!
So just picked Tom up. Not sure whether we're going golfing or surfing.
Surfing.
Look at that fucking air. Right. You got your clubs then?
Yeah, man.
How are you feeling about today?
Yeah, I'll beat her.
You beat me?
Yeah.
All right.
Going for it.
So we're going for the Tom Girdler 200-yard chip shot. That'll be interesting. See you on the course.
Yeah, man.
So we just got here at the driving range, warming up. Nice day for it. Tom's hitting some nice balls already. Show us a good swing then, Tom.
No pressure. Mate, that was beautiful.
Nice connection. Real good power on that.
See how far he can go.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So hitting the 7-iron. They all seem to be going off to the left today, which is a little bit of a worry. Just try and work on straightening it up.
Miss the ball.
Let's pull left again. Yeah, good distance, but obviously not where I want it to go, which is the whole point, really. That's better. Bullseye. So we've already teed off from the first. This is Tom's second shot. Lovely day, bit windy. Tee's just over there. You can see that. Sorry, the green, not the tee. Let's have a look. Nice flight on it.
Where did that go?
It's just to the right there, mate. He's over the ditch.
Fifth hole. Matt, 8-iron off the floor. 163 yards ish. Excuses already. 2 bunkers to miss out for. Is he going to go and make sandcastles? All day. Off into the right, up the ball.
So, Tom, fifth tee, fifth hole. Pitching wedge off the tee. It's going for a lot of height. I've just pulled it left, awful shot, it's in the rough. I think that might be a lost. Oh, that's good, that's really good. It's high, it's high. It's bounced left, fairway, just short of green, left.
On the 18th, making sandcastles again. Could have this for a cheeky little chip in. What's he going to do? Watch it go straight in the hole. Go straight in, he's got to buy me a beer. Incentive for him. Oh, lovely little chip. Ah, beautiful. Crowd goes wild. Woo! Really taking it seriously now.
Oh, that's a bit far left, mate. You'll see it. So this is our, we've played 18,
On the beers, boy!
Just don't show to April because I'm meant to be just at the driving range.
So we've just played 18 holes, Tom and I.
Had a few beers.
We also had a lasagna each, and about six pints of Foster's. So our friend Ed.
And Ed's just finished work.
Yeah, give us a wave, Ed. Ed's just turned up and fancied another 9, so we're playing the front 9. So we've just teed off. I didn't capture that, but these are all our second shots. So here's Tom. It's gone right.
Oh, that's alright.
It's in the ditch.
Oh, it's in the fucking ditch.
So the points maybe weren't.
No, not a good idea.
Do you not think so?
No.
No. So my tee off with the driver wasn't too bad. There's the clubhouse back there. Wasn't too bad. Fairly pleased with that. Second shot has just gone straight into the pond.
Ah, in the pond. Mine's in the ditch.
Ed's still trying to find his in the
Ed's
rough.
sober, by the way.
Ed's sober. And Tom's has gone in the ditch.
Beautiful shot in the ditch.
It's gone in the ditch.
Couldn't do that again if I tried. I could.
So looks like we're all taking drops. Let's see how it goes.
Ah, bollocks to